Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thanks very much for watching our earwax removal short video today. So you can see this patient is very, very blocked up here. Very soft wax and skin here at the entrance to the canal. This is the fine end we've got going in here. Just grabbing this soft skin and wax material. As we pull this forward, you'll see this grayer material behind. That's actually a little bit of skin there. We're going to pull this all the way out. There you go. You can see quite a big old plug in there. Guys, apologies for not posting videos for the last couple of days. I'm actually off work at the moment. I'm recording this one at home. Nothing to worry about, don't panic. But I've got some really quite exciting personal news to tell you about. But I have to get permission for it and share it with you, which is hence the reason I'm off work at the moment. But I will get back to you on that one as soon as I can. Sorry, I don't mean to be so mysterious, but you know, just bear with me. So you can see it's centimetre and a half, just under 3/4 of an inch there, guys. Well, as always, guys, take care of yourselves, take care of your ears, and take care of one another. If you do enjoy the channel, make sure you subscribe, follow, heart, all those things for me. Thank you very much.